Hey guys, if you want to copy the link of your LinkedIn profile, then you have come to the right video. In this video, I will show you how to copy the link of your LinkedIn profile on your laptop. Now, the first step is obviously to head over to the LinkedIn, and here you can see it has opened my feed. So I will just have to click on this Me button and click on View Profile. It will take some time to load my profile, and then when my profile will be loaded, you just have to click on this link right on your browser and just one time click on it and then right click, copy, and there you go. The link for your profile has been successfully copied. So as you can see here, when I post it on another tab, it will automatically open my profile here. You can send this link to whoever you want to send to. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel.